Good morning, YouTubers. I got the bathroom all painted up, just like we talked about. I'm going to have to, extend this off the wall a little bit because the 90 is bigger than this, the 90 that goes onto it, and this ring wouldn't go over the 90 to get up to the wall. So, fix that up. It's all sealed in just right. Wall's all done. So, I don't know what to... All I can do is give you the plan for today. Switches, receptacles, get them all in up to date, and put the new light in. After I do the electrical work, I'm going to put that frame around this mirror because the mirror is going to stay. Of course, it needs cleaned up, and get those few little things done. That's my goal for today. And appreciate you if you're interested at all in following this diary so that we can both learn from my mistakes. It's going to be fun. And I'm not going to cut anything out, delete anything. Doggone, I make a mistake. I want us both to learn from it. So let's just hold on, subscribe to this thing, follow it through, and see what becomes of it. I couldn't show you the property, the next property I found today. I couldn't show it to you because it's just not realistic right now. I still have a couple months to get this job done, and then we'll figure out how to sell it and then get into the next house. And I hope that interests you, and I don't know, just follow me along and subscribe and follow. I guess on top of doing the electrical work, I'll go ahead and install that shelf to the right side of the mirror above the receptacles. Put me a shelf right there. The towel rack, the double arm towel rack, I'll put right at the back of the, right next to the tub, right there to the left of the toilet, which is that green lid. So double arm towel rack right there. Put the toilet paper dispenser, this cut in one, put it next to the toilet, somewhere in there. That, of course, is the light. And that is the tub stopper thing. Of course, that this one doesn't have. It's all dirty and old. That's why I'm replacing it. And then this old head there. Of course, this will go back into the wall. So that shower nozzle, we'll get all that put on today, and hopefully trim out the mirror.